Okay, another quick video for you. I bought this originally to build that video I did before which is the Garmin portable device. But it's far too small. It was only light. It was only a tenner. And I thought, what can I do with this? And I just had an epiphany this morning. So I'm going to do this with it. I'm going to put this solar panel reflector or collector on here. Because I had these really cheap Prezi. It was only a cheap Prezi, which is fine. It was only for a shed, but they're not very powerful. And I'm going to mount them onto the side of this. And this way, if I can hold that like that, they're switched. A little toggle switch on them. And this is going to be a portable solar panel device. And I'll tuck all the wires inside, and I'll show you as I go along. So I'll mount that on there. I'll mark it. And then get a couple of little screws or bolts here I can find. Okay, if you can see, just about to see them. I've got to get some Tipp-Ex or something. Might just be able to get them in there. Right, they're a little bit tight. So I'm not trying to get them to thread in, but it's easier. Makes a better fit, doesn't it? So let's see if he comes through. Okay, I'll do the other one. This is all swivel, 360 whatever, so that's fine. Undo, pop a couple of little nuts on there. Tighten the little nuts up with a pair of long nose pliers. That's it. So next what I want to do is trim off these so these fit. So I'll just mark them. Might as well put them straight on the top there. Because I've got to get the wire going in. We're going to accumulate all the wire on the inside, come out, and then go into it because it's a charge unit on the top. Okay. So I'm just going to mark it. Break out the trusty Leatherman and be very careful. Can you see that? I've just taken it away from me. It'll probably split. Just be really vigilant, alright? Always take it away from you. You slip with this, you're going to know about it. Right, I'll carry on with these. Well, you can see what I'm doing. Just till I get down to the plastic. There we go. So I'll do the other side. Perfect. Look at that. Didn't even move. Probably thinking, it's a waste of time this is, but what else am I going to do with it? I don't use these. The box is not going to be any good to me, so, and you can also carry stuff inside the box anyway, so I'm in a bit of fun. Ooh, a bit tight, I think. Trying to get the knot up a little bit further. A bit more than that. You got the idea. So, I'm not too sure because they're going to come back out again now to charge the units which are on the top, you see. So I'm just going to feed the cable through. They can stay connected permanently. So this has got enough slack so it can turn around and face the sun. Same with this one. I've got some stickers to put on there. I'll come back, I've got the stickers. These are 3M stickers. Pads. There we go. Okay. on there. There you go. Portable solar powered lighting kit. So that's what you call it. If you want to get into the box, you're going to have to undo your two cables, of course. And you can put fishing tackle stuff in there. You'd want to remove these screws on the inside. I will cut them off because they will give you a nasty bit of a scratch. All right. Actually, they aren't in far enough. I have to do them. So there. So pop it back down. You can carry all sorts of stuff in it. You must take those screws out. This is not telling you how to do. This is just what I've done as a portable. So face it in the sun because it's 360 wherever you want. Cable doesn't move, so it's fine. Put that in the sun. 2 cords, left and right, left and right. So it's switchable. There you go. Just a bit of fun. An epiphany this morning when I woke up thinking, what do I do with those lights? I've not used them, and a spare box. So there you go. I've made a portable solar panel lighting system, which folds away, turns off, and you can carry some bits and bobs in there, wherever you want, some tools, I don't know, fishing tackle, like I said, anything you want. If you enjoyed the vid, please give it a thumbs up and a like. Subscribes here, new videos over there and there. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next vid. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.